She a freak in the sheets.
Hey, what's up? It's Javi Mag with Kiss and Tell. I'm here with.
I'm Nicky Zeal
And
Zariah.
oh, this is great. I love these are great outfits. Tell us a little bit about what you're most excited about the XMAs this year.
Well, I'm excited to see my wife come up on the screen, nominations, hearing her name. You know, I'm excited for all the friends that we see every year. It's like a family reunion, so that's my favorite part about it.
Nice.
I'm very excited to see all my friends. Everyone is together and we all get to root for each other. So I'm just so excited to just shout and yell because we're loud bitch. So I'm just excited to yell for all my favorite babies.
This is. I love the little diamonds and everything.
Thank you. Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Nice. That's great. And you're nominated. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the nomination?
So I can't remember all of them.
Oh, that's good. That's a blessing.
But the big one, Trans Performer of the Year, so, you know. And then we've got nomination for Bottom Floor for our stuff, as well as I have one with, I believe, Jules Blue and Leilani, which I'm very excited for, a DP. I've been doing a lot of DPs this year. Yeah.
How has the DP? How does that work for you? Why do you love it so much?
I'm a good anchor. And I got a big so gotta use it.
You gotta use it. Yeah. You're like true.
No, yeah, I can totally attest to that.
You can concur.
Yeah, no, and she's really good for either position. I'd say she's quite versatile as far as DP goes, and she can really get herself in that position. It's those legs, I think. I don't know what it is, but she is very talented. So any position you put her in, she's gonna handle it very well.
Well, perfect. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Hey, this is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. See you soon.